Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add image and text like this into your WordPress page. You can see I have this text and in the background you can see a beautiful image in this text. So to create this effect, let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create it from scratch. So here on my Elementor page builder, first of all I will design the section layout. So for this I will click on this plus button and add a section. First of all I will change its height to fit to screen. Now in the middle column I will click on this plus button and drag in an heading widget. I will type text, image in text. Now I will align it to the center and go to style. Now first of all for the text color I will make it dark black, and in the typography I will increase its size. I will make it 150, and for the weight I will make it 900. Also I will change its transformation, I will make it uppercase. Now I will go to this section layout and I will add background. So for this I will go to style, and here in the background type I will select classic and I will select an image. Now I will select this image and I will click on insert media. Now you can see the image in the background and text over here. Now I will go to this column and I will add a white background so this text will clearly visible. Now I will go to background type classic and now I will change color to white. Now it will look like that. You can see a beautiful background over there. Now I will add margin in it, so I will go to advanced and here I will add 15% on left and right. So it will look like that. Also I will add padding in this text, so I will go to text, advanced, and here in the padding I will add 30 on the top and bottom and 10 on the left and right side. So it will look like that. Now I will show this background image in this text. So for this I will go to this column, make sure to select this column and go to custom CSS. Now here type selector, add curly braces and select and add mix blend mode, and I will type screen, add semicolon, and now you can see this image is clearly visible in the text. It will look like that. Now if you want to show this white background on entire section and image in just in this text, so for this I will go to this section settings and go to layout. Here I will change its content width to full width, and here in column position I will make it stretched. Also vertical alignment I will make it middle. Now I will go to column and here I will remove these margins. Now you can see the image in the text like that. Now I will update the page. After updating I will click on this I button to preview the changes. So here you can see the image in the text like that. That's how you can add image in text in Elementor. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.